This activity will show you how to present a 2D panel of images using a FIJI plugin called FIJI. This is found under Plugins and FIJI, Start FIJI. This opens a dialog box where you can open a already saved project to work on again. In this case, we're going to hit New to start up a new figure. This will ask you for the physical dimensions that you want the figure to be generated in. In this case, this is in centimeters, and it allows you to change the separator size for the panels and define a final resolution. Let's click OK. So this has built our 10 by 10 centimeter figure. We can then divide this up into a panel as we choose using the layout features here. So if I split horizontally into two, you'll see we have two panels of the same size. I can also split this top panel in half as well. And let's do the same for the bottom one. So we've built up a panel of 4 images in this square figure. Next thing we can do is go to our images. In this case, we'll use the BPA blue, and we can drag and drop these images into our figure. You double click on it, that allows you to change what is presented within each of the panels. The other thing we can do now is start to decorate this. So there's a decorate button here, which opens up a new dialog box. We can provide panel labels in lots of different formats. Let's go with uppercase A. We can change where that's located. We can also add in scale bars into whichever image we have selected. And we can change the size of these scale bars. We can decide whether or not we include the value. And in this case, these are uncalibrated images. So this is 100 pixels rather than in microns. So you can decide whether or not you want to include that. There are other items you can overlay as well, such as arrows and text, regions of interest, that type of thing. Once you're happy with the figure that you've built, you can go to the Save option. In this case, let's save this into the beginners folder, demo data into FIJI. And now if I go into FIJI here, you can see it's copied across the original data. It's got some FIJI files there, so project files. It's also got a TIFF full resolution and a JPEG compressed version of your final figure for building into a publication or a presentation.